The electron spectroscopy for chemical analysis, commonly known as ESCA or X-ray photoelectron spectroscopy (XPS), is an invaluable surface analysis technique. ESCA provides elemental composition of the sample surface up to few monolayers. The uniqueness of this technique is that besides giving elemental composition of the surface, it can provide oxidation state information of the elements as well, which perhaps no other technique is able to provide. The technique employs soft X-rays to irradiate samples kept in ultra-high vacuum. The liberated photoelectrons are focused by the lens system to the hemispherical analyzer, where the kinetic energy of electrons are measured. The software calculates the binding energies and the resulting spectrum compared to known libraries and elements identified. Any deviation from the theoretical values points to non-elemental oxidation states. Complementary techniques like ultraviolet photoelectron spectroscopy (UPS) and ion scattering spectroscopy (ISS) provides even more sensitive information, since they examine only the uppermost one or two monolayers, yielding valuable surface information often used in catalyst characterization and material studies. We have a full complement of thermal analyzers, including differential scanning calorimeter, thermogravimetric analyzer, and thermomechanical analyzer. The new thermomechanical analyzer that you see now is the high temperature version, going up to 1600 degrees Celsius, and is able to study physical properties like compression and elongation as a function of temperature. It is particularly suitable to polymer and polyamide research. The thermogravimetric analyzer measures mass changes as a function of temperature under different atmospheres like nitrogen, carbon monoxide, and hydrogen. The Perkin-Elmer Atomic Absorption Spectrophotometer 5100 PC is a workhorse in the atomic spectroscopy industry. It features 8-lamp turret with auto recognition of the lamps, true double beam optics providing excellent resolution and sensitivity, deuterium background correction, 90 position auto sampler, flame and flameless techniques. The SRS 3000 X-ray fluorescence spectrometer is an excellent tool for semi-quantitative as well as quantitative measurements of almost all elements in the periodic table, from beryllium to uranium. The XRF relies on the famous Bragg's equation n lambda equals 2d sine theta. Samples are prepared for analysis either as pressed pellets or molded pellets. Here you see the fusion method, in which the sample is mixed with a solid solvent, lithium tetraborate or lithium metaborate. The sample is heated and melted under high temperature using platinum crucibles and finally poured into special molds made of platinum rhodium to obtain highly homogeneous fused pellets. The D5000 powder X-ray diffractometer from Bruker relies on the Bragg's equation. It uses copper radiation from a rotating anode X-ray generator cooled by running water. The X-ray generator and detector are mounted on a goniometer. The fine movement of the goniometer produces X-ray diffraction pattern. The LPX 200 series excimer pumped dye laser system from Lambda Physics, Germany is capable of delivering high energy pulses up to 400 millijoules per pulse and also covers complete visible range with 0.001 nanometer resolution. The laser system is used in spectroscopic studies of alkaline and alkaline earth elements. The analytical HPLC from Waters Corporation includes 600E gradient binary pump and an array of detectors including UV-Vis, photodiode array, fluorescence and refractive index detectors. The Applied Biosystems 3130XL genetic analyzer performs fluorescence-based capillary electrophoresis for both sequencing and fragment analysis applications on 16 capillary array. An electropherogram plots relative dye concentrations on the y-axis against time on the x-axis for each of the dyes used to label the DNA fragments. It can accept up to 2 96 well plates so that it can run unattended for 24 hours. The Varian 3900 gas chromatograph features heated capillary injector, temperature programmable oven with several temperature steps, flame ionization detector, 100 precision auto sampler, cooling ability for the auto sampler to minimize sample evaporation. The general research facilities has had significant effect in the quality and quantum of publications coming out of the Faculty of Science. With the addition of new equipment under process, namely single crystal X-ray diffractometers, monochromated X-ray photoelectron spectrometer with UPS and ISS, and the femtosecond laser, we could be proud that we are not behind any of the Western universities in availability of research resources. We gratefully acknowledge the support we have always received from Research Administration, particularly the Vice President Professor Fahad Al-Thaqib and his assistants Professor Haytham Lababdi, Professor Najib Samawi and Ms. Mariam Shamali. We are grateful to Professor Badr Al Sakabi, the Dean of College of Science, for his support